Previous episode on the Herbal Laws channel on YouTube. Yeah, in previous episode we reap, harvest some okra, still have a few, and harvest some pop choy from this container.
On the road, go do the thing now. Herbal laws, magical laws, yeah.
So planted this Panadol herb plant. Yeah man, since then it's looking really good. We get a lot of rain, hurricane and stuff. Welcome to the Herbal Laws channel on YouTube. Yeah man, on the Herbal Laws channel, you know, we do video in my herb garden where I plant herb for tea and vegetables. Yeah man, so in today's episode I'm just giving a little update on what Hurricane Beryl, you know, did to my herb garden. Not a lot of damage, but yet still things happen. Yeah man, so let's get right into it. So from the Hurricane Beryl storm, my castor bean plant, you know, been a little. Yeah, seemed like Beryl wanted to root out my castor bean plant. Also in my stove, you know, I had a huge plant of the lemongrass, which we also call fever grass. You know, the storm rooted it out, so I had to separate it and plant it, you know, different places. So the bad thing about it, the storm rooted it out, but the good thing about it is that I could able to plant it in different places. Also able to plant a little piece also in this pot, you know, stick a piece here, stick a piece there, you know. So sometimes we have to, you know, look on the good that can come out of a bad situation. You know, storm is a natural disaster, but now none of us want storm because storm always cause damage. In this storm, if you can look on the ground, you see some small June plums. Yeah man, almost half of this year crop, you know, was blown off from the June plum tree. You know, but we still have a lot up there, so we have to give thanks. Yeah, so even though we lose a lot of June plums, but still have to give thanks, you know. After the hurricane, you know, things grew up and stuff like that. So where I am, I would have a lot of mosquito, so I have to light a little fire, you know, to keep down the mosquito. So also that I can able to stay here, you know, and do a little weeding out or do a little planting, you know, because without the fire, trust me, can't stay here because the mosquito them terrible. So in today's episode I'm showing you, you know, the plant over there was about this size, you know, and the storm rooted it out. So as I show you, I had to plant it different places. So I have one root here, I have another root here, you know, also I have one here. Yeah, what I realized just now, you know, Even my ram goat dashalam plant, you know, the storm wanted to root it out. Yeah, but yeah, flowering up so beautiful. You know, even the butterfly them love this plant. Yeah, nice plant for tea, you know, come with a lot of benefits. Yeah, whole lot of benefits. Yeah, and as a Jamaican man, one of the favorite benefit from this plant, you know, as the man them say, it help them to stand up strong and tall, you know. So, you know, when it come on to herb plant, yeah, a lot of men love it for that purpose. Yeah. Also, see, yeah, the vervain plant drying up. So I'm going to just take it out, you know. I can harvest this side. I have to try hold the camera while doing the video. So throw away that piece and can use this piece for tea, you know. Yeah. So just get a little space where I can, you know, plant back something, you know. So yeah, I have a lot more of that vervain plant right here. Yeah man, I ensure that I have the plants in different places. So yeah, Hurricane Beryl want to root out, you know, my ram goat dashalam plant, but I'm not even going to disturb it. Yeah, because it will eventually, you know, find back strength in the herb. So even the butterflies are enjoying the beauty of the flooring of the ram goat dashalam, you know, and also feed from it. So that's an update on what Hurricane Beryl did to my herb garden. Yeah, my other plants are doing well. Yeah, my panadol plant from previous video doing well. You know, my rosemary plant doing well. Yeah, my rosemary plants doing well. Yeah, also my, you know, fresh cut doing well. Yeah, and I harvest a piece of vervain to also, you know, ackee. You know, a lot of ackee on the tree. Yeah man, so yeah, even though the storm did some damage, but they are still good after the storm because I have ackee on tree. And I also want to use this opportunity to, you know, say I hope that those people, especially down into the St. Elizabeth area, who, you know, get a lot of damage, their roofs came off, you know, the different parishes that, you know, people get more damage, you know, and also in the storm, you know, a life was lost in Collie Smith Drive. Yeah man, that's in Trench Town. You know, where a young man was playing football and the ball fell in the gully and he decided to, you know, get that ball for him and his friend, and it ended up tragic. So condolence to his family. Yeah, man. Also, if you can look over here, you know, a few trees root up also. Yeah, man. But as I said, yeah, there were a little damage here and there, you know, but still have to give thanks. Still have to give thanks. You know, a little leaking through my window, you know, but after the storm, I ensure I went to the shop, get some seal and seal back those windows. Yeah. Yeah. So also one of the things that if you have a garden and you have a lot of container like I do, you know, ensure say, you know, you empty those water container that they don't build up mosquito, you know, can use back that water to even water the plants. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So empty the containers so that you don't breed up mosquitoes. Yeah. So use back those water, you know, to water the plants. Yeah, because I already have a lot of mosquito, so don't want to breed up any more mosquito. Yeah. So yeah, so Herbal Loss family, this was just a little update on, you know, what Hurricane Beryl, yeah, did to my herb garden. Yeah, why the butterfly them look so nice on the plant. Yeah, Ram goat da shalom. Yeah.